Hello students, welcome to my channel. This video is in the continuation with the previous video on the mesoporous silica nanoparticles, that is MCNs. Earlier in the video I discussed about the MCM41, which is the mesoporous silica nanoparticle. In this video I will be discussing about the SBA15. It is also a mesoporous silica of hexagonal shape like that of the MCM41. Okay, now SBA15 is also synthesized in lab firstly in 1998 by Zhao et al. Okay, they synthesized this SBA15 by accident. Okay, and apart from that, its full form is Santa Barbara Airport, right? It's not important, so I didn't. I just had written here for your reference. Now, to synthesize any mesoporous silica material, what we need? We need three things, right? First one is the precursor. Okay, precursor as in used in the MCM41, it's the silica source which is tetraethyl orthosilicate or any fumed silica or earlier. So precursor is same as that as of the MCM41. Now another one is the medium in which it is synthesized. In MCM41 we use the basic medium, but here we will be using the acidic medium, and the pH can be lowered from 2 to 3, and in fact in some cases 1 pH is also preferable. And to attain this acidic medium we can use number of acids like HCl, H2SO4. Okay, however H2SO4 is not preferred because it is very dangerous and causes pollution. Okay, now and the third one thing is the surfactant. In this case we use non-ionic surfactant, whereas in case of MCM41 we use the cationic surfactant, but here non-ionic surfactant are used like P123. So its full form is pluronic. Actually it's pronounced as P123 only. It's of the long polymer of the carbon chain, and apart from that other sources such as P104, okay, P85, okay, and so these are the different surfactant which can be used. Now I will discuss the main part of the video, which is the difference between SBA15 and MCM41. Okay, so this is the main question, that how we came to know that what is the difference between the both, as both use the same as I discussed here, same precursor. Okay, now from this we came to know that the first difference between both of them is the surfactant used. Okay, here surfactant used was cationic, but in here it should be non-ionic, right? Example was CTAP, here example was P123. This is the main difference. Now second one is the medium, right? Here it was the basic media, generally 9.5 to 11.5. Here it is the acidic media, generally lower than 1 pH, right? So this is the difference. Then apart from that, what is the difference? Third difference is the reaction time. Reaction time means the time in which the synthesis occurs. So its reaction time for MCM41 is very less, and in fact in some cases it's as lower than 5 minutes. Okay, so we can summarize it as 5 minutes to 60 minutes. Okay, or in some cases you can take it 160 minutes, otherwise 2 hours are more than sufficient. Here it takes long reaction times. Okay, this is the main difference. Generally in same cases it takes up to 24 hours also, so it takes the long reaction time. Now both these have adjustable pore size and pore volume, which can be synthesized, which can be changed during the synthesis process. But here one major difference is that pore wall size. Okay, its pore wall size is thicker as compared to that of the MCM41, right? So its pore wall size is thicker and it may be from 3 to 6 nanometer thick. And what happened due to the thick pore wall size? It has the more thermal stability. Thermal stability is more as compared to that of the MCM41. It has less thermal stability. Now, and the last one and the biggest difference is that it does not cause any pollution. Now why? Because it's synthesized in the basic media. So when we wash it during the synthesis process, so generally NaOH is washed during the synthesis, but in this case, as it is prepared in the acidic media, when we wash it, so the water react with the HCl or H2SO4 and sometimes generate the SO4 to negative ions. So with these ions which are very much dangerous, okay, so it causes the water pollution. That's why people don't prefer these. But due to more thermal stability and more pore size volume, there are some applications where SBA 15 is used. So these are the